Welcome to our tutorial about Ortho mode. Let's start by activating the Line tool. I'm going to place the first point in the drawing area using the mouse about here. When I move my mouse, the rubber band effect follows the mouse movements. This gives me a preview of the potential line at the cursor's current position. Here's the Ortho mode icon. It's the 90-degree angle with the square at the left corner. If you don't see this mode, right-click on any mode, select Display, and select it. Remember, active modes are marked with a check mark, and the icon is also blue. What Ortho mode does is snap your movements to 90-degree angles. As I move my mouse, you see that the preview rubber band now snaps to 90-degree angles. Let's enter a value of 10 on the command line and press Enter. And we've created our first line. Let's continue. 5, Enter. 10, Enter. And now right-click and close the profile. Let's create some slightly different geometry. Right-click and repeat line to activate the Line tool again. Place a point about here. Now let's enter values on the command line. 5 and Enter. 5, Enter again. Now 2, Enter. Again 2 and Enter. 3, Enter. And this time I'll type C on the command line for close and then press Enter. And the profile closes. This concludes our lesson about using Ortho mode.